In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert time timestamp. If you've ever needed to mark when a note was taken, record the moment a change was made, or simply keep a running log as you work, adding a timestamp is a quick way to stay organized. We'll keep this simple and practical, and I'll show you two reliable ways to do it so you can choose the one that fits your workflow. Before you insert the time, place your cursor exactly where you want the timestamp to appear. The app will put the time at that spot, so taking a second to position the cursor saves you from moving it later. Also remember that the format of the time you see often follows your system and application settings, so it may display in 12-hour or 24-hour style depending on your setup. First, let's use the menu option. Look to the top of your screen for the toolbar and go to the Insert tab. This is where most items you add to a document, page, or note live. Inside the Insert tab, click the Time button. As soon as you do, the current time is inserted at your cursor. You should see it appear immediately, confirming the action worked. If you're documenting a series of actions, you can keep typing normally and repeat this step each time you need to capture the moment. Now for a faster method, use the keyboard shortcut. With your cursor still in the right place, press Alt plus Shift plus T. Think of it as a quick command for insert time. You'll see the current time drop right in without taking your hands off the keyboard. This is especially handy during meetings, calls, or live troubleshooting when every second counts. If you don't see anything appear, make sure the app window is active and that no other tool has grabbed the same shortcut. A quick tap in the document to refocus, then pressing Alt plus Shift plus T again, usually does the trick. As you work, try both methods and decide which one feels more natural. The Insert tab and Time button are great if you like using the mouse and want a visual confirmation. The Alt plus Shift plus T shortcut is ideal when you're moving quickly and want minimal interruption. Either way, you'll get a clean, consistent timestamp right where you need it. That's all there is to it. Position your cursor, then either go to the Insert tab and click Time or press Alt plus Shift plus T to insert the current time instantly. Keep these two options in your toolkit and you'll always be ready to capture the moment.